Welcome to this video on the organizational economics of AI substitution. We will explore an evidence-based framework for navigating the thresholds, risks, and organizational redesign required for human-AI workforce transitions. AI replacement is an organizational decision driven by risk-adjusted economics, not just technological inevitability. Automation proceeds task by task, shaped by firm-specific economic thresholds rather than just the capability of a system to perform a function. Substitution occurs only when AI's cost advantages outweigh the significant organizational risk penalties. Organizations must account for deployment costs, potential reliability failures, compliance incidents, and reputational damage when evaluating if an AI agent is truly cheaper than human labor. Regulatory burdens and accountability requirements often dictate industry adoption rates more than raw technical capability. Highly regulated sectors like healthcare or legal services face higher thresholds for adoption compared to sectors like software, media, or logistics. At the task level, automation risk maps to specific skill zones rather than entire occupations. We see a high-skill paradox, where highly paid cognitive tasks can be surprisingly vulnerable, while routine tasks face different pressures based on their marginal cost. Middle managers often face disproportionate exposure due to intersecting vectors of cost and accountability. Empirical evidence shows that positions involving routine reporting and exception routing are frequently the most vulnerable to displacement at AI-adopting firms. High fixed training costs create an advantage for organizations that scale deployment. As adoption increases, the per-task cost drops, allowing early adopters and platform providers to reach substitution thresholds significantly faster than smaller firms. Navigating the human-AI transition requires a proactive, 5-pillar organizational playbook. These pillars cover planning, governance, capability building, structural redesign, and scale, turning potential tipping points into managed transitions. Pillar 1 focuses on monitoring the risk-adjusted cost gap. Action steps include monthly threshold tracking, annual updates to skill zone mapping, and maintaining transparency with decision criteria to reduce potential algorithm aversion within the workforce. Pillar 2 involves lowering the threshold for adoption by tuning down organizational risk penalties. This includes strategies like model validation, red teaming, and human-in-the-loop designs to manage reliability, compliance, and reputational risks effectively. Pillar 3 targets reskilling investments specifically within the quote-quote contested zone where human adaptation remains viable. Organizations should focus on moving workers toward tasks that require complex judgment, regulatory interpretation, or high-touch human relationships. Pillar 4 suggests flattening hierarchies. By using AI-assisted coordination, organizations can dramatically widen managerial spans of control, moving away from deep, traditional structures toward more flexible, AI-supported hybrid models. Pillar 5 emphasizes centralizing AI development. To achieve scale, organizations must treat AI not as a series of siloed IT projects, but as a core platform that can be fine-tuned across multiple business functions. Ultimately, an endogenous hybrid organization is an engineered design choice. AI handles the volume and velocity of routine logic, while humans are retained as the governance shield necessary to keep risk parameters in check. Finally, building resilience requires a shift from employment security to employability security. Framing AI as a tool for capability augmentation rather than just cost reduction is essential for maintaining organizational trust and long-term legitimacy.